Kwathiwa nje khona ingane ukhulelisile akaphiki akavumi uneutral silinde igazi. I hope nalowo muntu lo amkhulelisiwe uyawazi umthetho.
ULwandle mekhulelisile
Yeah.
kufanele ngabe siyohlawula.
Angeke-ke siqale ngokuyohlawula. Umuzi nomuzi unomthetho wakhona bakithi.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. So kule episode sizwe uMusa Mseleku etshela uMacele ukuthi uLwandle uzile wahlala naye phansi wamtshela ukuthi umithisile, and uMusa akanankinga ngalokho, angaya ayobhadala ahlawule ingane, abhadala ama-damages. And then we heard uMacele ethi no, imani lapho nje nengakayi indawo, umntwana asimeleni azalwe nanoma ifamily yale ntombazana ingeze izobika isisu, naye uzobatshela ukuthi umntana akumelwe azalwe, and then maqeda ukuzalwa kuyenziwa ama-DNA test, umthetho walaphayana ekhaya. And then wathi nanoma bangazanga nokuza uLwandle ahamba yobatshela kanjalo ukuthi umntwana amele azalwe. And then she also mentioned that uLwandle knows umthetho walaphayana endlini, so kwamele uLwandle angavumi isisu, angasiphiki, just remain silent. And you can see ukuthi uLwandle is confident enough ukuvuma isisu ukuthi isakhe. That means he knows ukuthi umoshile. And some people had comments like loyo muntu omithele uLwandle wants ifame. Guys, uLwandle is also a person. You may see uLwandle athulile anjanjani, he's also a person. And another thing, uMacele didn't want uMakhumalo to ask for a DNA test ku-Samke, but when it comes to uLwandle, she wants a DNA test. Some people find it unfair, because how can you want a DNA test kumntwana ko omzalayo but umuntu ojola nendoda yakho awufuni i-DNA test kuye, kodwa uthi umthetho wala endlini? There's something wrong nje ngalapho nje. And I also find it weird ukuthi why ungafuni umntwana wala endlini ayenziwe i-DNA test but umntwana omntwanakho ufuna ukuthi ayenziwe i-DNA test. And there's nothing wrong with DNA test. Some people bathwalisana ijazi vele, but it seems so unsure, man, why ayifuna kangaka i-DNA test. And she also mentioned ukuthi konje indaba kaSineya yena akafuni ukumtshela uMusa because kuzokwatwa and yena akekho. uSineya yena kumele azikhulumele indaba zakhe nobabakhe bazisolvele zona because ziyacabanisa indaba ezinosine ngaphakathi because uMisa ngamasibomu. That's what she said. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts on this? I feel like uMacele should do this in a traditional way. Beze bazobika isisu and then hlawula ingane, bazenza ama-DNA test wabo private. Oh, bayenze lawo ma-DNA test lawo since she's not sure ukuthi lo mntana kungaba wakaLwandle. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching.